Good morning. It's December 23rd, about, oh boy, only 3 hours after I was supposed to leave. I just picked up the last thing I needed, and I'm about to drive home to Auburn, California, near where I grew up, where my parents live, for Christmas. As hopefully you guys read, last year I got to take home a Kawasaki KLX 140G, and I taught my whole family how to ride. It was amazing. My littlest brother, Gabe, crashed into a fence. My brother Thomas was actually really good at it, which is weird because he's not really good at anything. My mom had an amazing time. She tried it. She crashed into her own little seating area. But the person who loved it most of all was my stepdad, Glenn. He's been in my life since I was in kindergarten and elementary school. He absolutely loved it, Every morning he was up and he was out riding, and you'd find him spinning laps and trying to find better lines and wanting to talk about it, and he just got super stoked, got super into it. I told him that I was finding a friend's bike to bring home this year, when in reality, the family and I decided to get Glenn his very own. So we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna try and keep it a secret as far as that it's his, and then get to unveil that to him on Christmas morning. Will be super fun. And we wanted to take you guys along for the experience of lots of crashing and hopefully lots of Christmas joy. I got about 8 or 9 hours now of crime podcasts and the smell of cow ahead of me, and I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Unfortunately, it is looking a little bit later than I had hoped, which means that the bike will probably have to wait until tomorrow to do some playing with, but we're here. Excited to see the family, excited to see the racetrack that they've been working on. We'll get there in a sec and we'll see what's up.
Merry Christmas. What? The blue one? Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is so sweet, so kind, so fun.